will to attain. You told me the victory I must have, and dig the gold I should have. You refined the gift in me, and you affirmed it gently. You taught me to trust my God, to bespeak His favor much. Golden Success College, my beacon of light that glows. You are my haven and my home, my treasure I considered my own. In your four walls, wisdom flows. In your presence, learning grows. You are my beloved alma mater, and your memories are forever. You gave me courage for opportunities, reminded of responsibilities. You told me to work every bit of success and earn integrity I possess. Golden Success College, my beacon of light that glows. You are my haven and my home, my treasure I considered my own. In your four walls, wisdom flows. In your presence, learning grows. You are my beloved alma mater, and your memories are forever. Golden Success College, my beacon of light that glows. You are my haven and my home, my treasure I considered my own. In your four walls, wisdom flows. In your presence, learning grows. You are my beloved alma mater, and your memories are forever.
Good afternoon!
Hello everyone.
Welcome again to our another marketing live via Facebook page for our School Golden Success College. So what's up? All of our Goldenians who are watching with us this afternoon, thank you so much for tuning in. And of course, for those who wanted to be part of our family as well. By the way, before we begin, let us first introduce ourselves, ma'am.
So I am Miss Mary Grace Pugo. I am one of the teachers here in Golden Success College.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Ma'am Hugo. And also, I am teacher Owen Desales. I stand as the senior high school coordinator of Golden Success College, and at the same time, I am also one of the MAPI teachers here in our institution.
Yes.
So, Ma'am Hugo, kumusta man?
So for okay lagi kayo no, balag mainito ng
Mm.
atong kaltugon karon.
Yes, ato pa dyan ang painiton, Ma'am Hugo. And
Yes.
later, we will be discussing more about the privileges nga gipanghatag na nato sa itong mga bata. And for those who are already enrolled to the Golden Success College, ubay-ubay na po, di ba?
Yes, at nagkakagid kayo nagpa-enroll sa ato sa Golden Success College.
Yes.
So,
No, shout out also to one of the largest ng mga enrollees from the school, from the Guadalupe Elementary School.
Yes.
We also have from the Banawa Elementary School. So daghan na po kayo, ubay-ubay na po naman nagpa-enroll. And- Yes, of course. And of course, coming to our senior high school, no, incoming senior high school students, we also have enrolled students from the City Central, no, National High School. Daghan-daghan na po kaayo, ubay-ubay na po kaayo. And we also have from the Lahog.
Oh, Lahog.
Yes, from the Lahog. And hopefully, at the Ramon Duterte Memorial National High School, hopefully by this week, na po yung mga magpa-enroll. Kaya na naman sa enroll na po na to. But we hope and we pray nga, dagan-dagan pa dyan para. Of course, they can, yes, of course, they can also experience the good vibes and the privileges that we will be explaining this afternoon. But Ma'am Yugo, one of the reasons jud nga nung nagdito today is because of what?
Because of the incentives.
Incentives na
Mahatag, di
yes,
ba?
of
Just
course.
like, as awareness, nakita na ko ganina sa Facebook page, Sir Owen, naghanag yun yung mga bata nga
Yes,
nakataga
sa
na
mga
to.
gipang post na to.
Yes,
no?
kita ko ganina. Uy, naamay.
Ubay-ubay na jud kaayo.
Panagid ka.
Mas makalipay kay mas ni big ang atong community, mas ni larger ang ato ang family. Yes, so the reason why we are having this live this afternoon is because to share the good news and to share what's the current situation sa ato ang gipahigayon nga mga privileges in terms of the institutional privileges. So since last week Ma'am Yugo, no, since last week we already started giving these initial cash allowances to our Batang May Pangarap scholars. Yes. Ma'am Yugo, to be part of, para madawatan na to ang mga kaning gipang flash ito sa screen, para madawatan na to ang kanisang mga incentives, ang kanisang mga cash allowances. Unsa may dapat dalon sa mga bata?
So, ang ilang yung dapat dalo na ni Sir Owen is ang ilahang card. Tama? Ang
Okay.
ilahang PSA.
Oh,
And also the good moral.
good moral. So, ang dapat ba ang card, ma'am? Kay original ang dalon?
Yes, dapat original.
How about silang PSA, ma'am?
Yes.
Oo, original. Pero madawat, I think madawat na punta og photocopy. As long as it's clear and maklaro na dyan nato ang mga text na ipansulat sa PSA. Yes, so for those who wanted to receive their cash allowances, no, we will only have it this week na, Ma'am Yugo.
Yes, for the
So if
office.
in case ang bata mo pa-enroll ang bata by the next school year, by the next week, so possible nga dili na siya makadawat siyang initial cash allowances. Kaya nga naman, kay up until this week na lang kay puno na ato ang slots.
That's-
No, so atong so for those who wanted to enroll and for those who wanted pa nga moapas pa sa nindot nga balita nga atong
Mas
giingon.
mayo din Sir Owen, magpa-enroll na sa
Yes,
within
this week, John. Within this week, John.
No?
But do not worry because our school will be open until Saturday.
Saturday.
So pwede rin John
Okay,
kayo.
magyapon na
Yes.
Saturday, Sir Owen.
Yes, until 3 p.m. Pwede John kayo ito mga Peter.
Makaabot pa sila.
Yes, katong mga busy this week. Diba sila ay mga ubay-ubay po. Yan, naligo na.
Basig
Or
na
nabasa na
bakasyon
ba?
na ba sila, di ba?
Yes. So we will be happy to have you here and we still have slots for you. So for those who wanted to enroll, our incoming grade 7 Ma'am Yugo, pinay madawatan sa itong incoming grade 7 Ma'am Yugo?
Mga
300. Very good. How about sa ato ang incoming grade 11 Ma'am Yugo?
500 pesos.
Very good. So atong mga incoming ito grade 7 students from public schools, no, they will be receiving 300 pesos as their cash allowances. Followed by that would be our 500 pesos per hour incoming grade 11 students from public schools. So katong mga ganahan pa jud nga ma-enroll sa pang-eskwelahan here at Golden Sisters College. For the incoming grade 7 Ma'am Yugo, we offer also free tuition fee sa mga bata.
So, dili na alkansi Sir Owen.
Dili jud kay
Makadawat
alkansi.
pa kami
Yes,
allowance.
makadawat.
Makadawat.
Very good, very well said, Ma'am Yugo. So, for that sense, Ma'am Yugo, free tuition fee na ta, na napas na madawatan nga cash allowances ang mga bata. So, of course, it means nga, libre na dyan ang pag-iskila sa Golden Sisters College.
Gusto pa rin mga i-offer na yun sa
Yes. For our incoming grade 7 students, of course, they will also be entitled to receive as well a free Type C school uniform.
Which is kapunto-takbo din.
Yes,
yung
katong tatak
t-shirt.
din yan nato.
Oh.
And we also have as well the free insurance. Free school ID.
So, dili na gid alkansi kung
Dili na
mapayod sa
jud
Golden
kayo,
Sir
of course. So,
Owen.
dili na jud kayo siya alkansi. And lastly, Ma'am Yugo, if ang bata kay with honor students na graduate ang bata from the elementary, automatically she or he will be also enjoying the free school uniform.
Which is the type A.
Type A
uniform.
school uniform na to. Libre na po na if ang bata kay with honor.
Yeah.
No? So, nindot kayo siya ng mga privileges for
So,
the
aside
incoming
from
grade
that, Sir Owen,
7.
makadawat sa sila og free school ID, diba?
Yes, of course. Ni automatic pa dyan po school ID. Kay once you top it, automatically ma-notify na ang
Notify
phone.
na yun.
Yes.
Nabot na ka sa Golden.
Very well said, Ma'am Yugo. For those who are watching with us right now, so you can share this video while we are still discussing things, no? In relations to our privileges that we offer here at Golden Sisters College. You can share this video so that most of the people from your friends, no, ma-aware sila sa good news na to.
Maghatag
Yes. So right now, before we will begin to the next one, so let's also try to discuss again the privileges sa incoming grade 11 students na to.
Okay, so sa grade 11 students na to, sir, same with our grade 7, di ba? Nasa
Yes.
mga na free tuition fee.
Mas pinabongga.
Mas pinabongga.
Mas pinabongga
so,
ang
mas
atoan.
pinabongga kaya sa grade 11.
Yes,
sir?
mas ginapabongga pa dyan siya nato, Ma'am Yugo. It's because kung kaganihan sa grade 7, Ma'am Yugo, ang madawatan sa bata, 300 pesos lang initial cash allowances. Dili naman sa senior high school, Ma'am Yugo, ang madawatan sa bata is 500 pesos.
Dito yung bigis.
Oo, dagko pa dyan kayo na naapa dyan umaabot.
Kapag yung umaabot
Oo.
yung madawat nila.
Kung ganihan naman sad, sa to ang grade 7 ng Yugo, ang madawatan sa makadawat ang bata of free tuition, of free uniform, o type A and type C, if we honor ang bata. Dili naman sa itong senior high school ng Yugs, makadawat ang bata of free type A uniform, of type C uniform with or without na siya na honor student.
Wow.
As long as gikan lang just sa public school.
So far, nila pero ang uniform sa
Nindot ka yung school uniform na to sa Golden Success College kay mas gipanindot pa jud na siya.
Mas ipanindot.
Compared to the past years na to, we changed into another one nga medyo matanaw to mga bata kay kana kining medyo high class, pang Korean ang datingan, ma'am. Okay, of course, atong two type na, no? So, we have the lower part, and then we also have the inner part, katong polo, and the next one with the outer, katong the blazer one. So, in ana atong types ng school uniform kay, of course, bisa na to palitan ko pang hambog. Yung ato ang mga classrooms here at Golden Success College kay
mga aircon.
air-conditioned siya. So, dili siya alimuot. Bisag pa man sampaw-sampaw siya, atong yung school uniform, dili siya alimuot tungod kay aircon siya. Bugnaw siya itong mga classroom.
Dili
Oh,
sa bation ng kaiga.
yes. So, aside sa free tuition fee sila, Ma'am Yugo, may madawatan sila nga 500 pesos cash allowances, may madawatan silang free school uniform. Next thing pa dyan, Ma'am Yugo, kay libre na po nilang school ID.
So same gyapon sa grade 7, sir.
Same sa grade 7,
Yeah.
libre ang school ID po nila.
So ang ilang school ID gahapon is
Automated yapon siya.
Wow.
Systemized yapon siya.
So dili
Ma'am.
na gid kayo
Oo.
makuyawan ang
Mga
mga
parents, kung asa
sa
na ilang mga
punta.
anak. Yes,
Mhm.
very well said, Ma'am Yugo. And aside from that, our classes will begin at June, second week of June. So for those who are still willing to be part of our community here at Golden Success College, you can still be part of our growing community. For the grade 7 and the incoming grade 11 students, no, you can bring your original card, no? So
Card.
first grading to fourth grading original card. You can also bring your photocopy or the Xerox copy of your PSA or your NSO. And then, of course, the good moral. So once you have it already within your hands, pwede kayo mo sa Golden Success College para ma-enroll mo o once ma-approve na yung enrollment, automatically hatagan mo na mo sa yung cash allowances. So asa man makitaan si Golden Success College,
So
ma'am?
si Golden Success Colleges naara na siya sa 1297 V. Ramas Avenue, corner Simpson Street, Guadalupe, Cebu City. So at bang magyutaon ta sa Crown Regency.
Okay.
No?
At bang dito sa Crown Regency.
Yes.
So we are located at the Guadalupe, the biggest barangay in Cebu City. So makitaan legit meaning yun din na along the road legit me just across jeep nga 06B, 06A, 06H, kana silang 06F as well. So once mo na ako na around the road, legit me ang Golden Success College. And then, if you wanted to visit the school, you can also visit the school na apay free snacks.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, of course, of course. Once mo pa-enroll mo, once undecided pa mo to enroll to our school, you can also have the school tour. Kani siya si school tour. Oo. Dati gina-offer nga school tour, especially if daghan mo nga mga classmates nga ganahan mo visit our school. Just like what we did to Cebu City Central School. City Central School nga kanang most of them kay who visited our school. And then after they visited the school, diha dayon kayo lagi ganahan sa Golden Success College. Nagpa-enroll jud dayon sila. No, so if in case ganahan mo to visit our school, we can also offer school tour. So katong nga ganahan diha, pwede na jud kaayo with free snacks.
Free snacks pa.
Ma'am Yugo, can you also explain there di koan kanang unsa mga contact numbers nato and of course mga Facebook page nato unsa ang dapat nila mahibaw-an?
So sa atong Facebook page, sir, naara ta dito nga Golden Success College nga Facebook
Official Facebook page.
Yes. So naara sa tayong mga QR code sa
Mhm.
if ever mo ipa-enroll sila, no?
Okay.
Pwede na sa makita din sa screen.
Okay.
Yes.
So ang kaning QR code nga makita nato diri sa tong screen ng Yugo, kay kanin siya nga QR code, pwede sa makapa-enroll diri.
Yes.
Okay. So katong nga ganahan to enroll while watching with us right now, pwede jud ninyo is scan through your phone and then mo direct mo sa ato ang Google form. And then our Google form, our website also, it will direct to our website. And then dito, pangayuan lang kag mga details nimo. And so if you are already decided to to our school, and once you can already fill out the form, automatically tawagan mo sa mo ang mga staff to confirm nga mo enroll ba jud mo sa Golden Success College.
So, diha na pa sa OFW na nila yung mga requirements.
Yes, diyan nila dala
no?
the requirements kaya para ma-verify nato man kung accepted ba jud sila to be part of our scholarship.
Oh.
And then by the way everyone, this scholarship that we are talking about this is a DepEd scholarship and the voucher plus of course through the help of Batang May Pangarap Scholarship Program. Si Batang May Pangarap Scholarship Program sila ang nanghatag og mga cash allowances. So katong ganahan pa nga ma-part sa atong Batang May Pangarap Scholarship Program, ma-part sa atong Goldinian community. So I hope that I can all see you here at Golden Success College and be part of our growing community. So, while we will be taking a break for now, later on, kay mobalik ta, kay para lang we will be discussing more about the conclusion of our privileges that we offer. And then please tune in, and while you are waiting, you can also share this video to your friends so that they can also see it. So, let's have a break for now, and then see you once again.
Steered my sublime dreams. You gave me the sail to attain. You told me the victory I must have and dig the gold I should have. You refined the gift in me and you affirmed it gently. You taught me to trust my God, to bespeak His favor much. Golden Success College, my beacon of light that glows. You are my haven and my home, my treasure I considered my own. In your four walls, wisdom flows. In your presence, learning grows. You are my beloved alma mater, and your memories are forever. You gave me courage for opportunities, reminded of responsibilities. You told me to work every bit of success and learn integrity I possess. Golden Success College, my beacon of light that glows. You are my haven and my home, my treasure I considered my own. In your four walls, wisdom flows. In your presence, learning grows. You are my beloved alma mater, and your memories are forever. Golden Success College, my beacon of light that glows. You are my haven and my home, my treasure I considered my own. In your four walls, wisdom flows. In your presence, learning grows. You are my beloved alma mater, and your memories are forever.
Yes, thank you so much for waiting and thank you so much for tuning in to our live. Now we are now back from a little break. So before we'll start again with our conclusion, no? So let us also acknowledge the persons who are watching with us right now via our live. So hello to Jory Fel Hakaban Noval, no, who are watching with us right now. And also to Teacher Kenneth, one of our alumni here at Golden Success College. And of course, we also have Clyde Samarita. Hello, hello, hello. I hope that
May
you
utto.
I hope that you are good, no, sa kain sa panahon. Ayaw mo kalimot og inom og
Yeah, tubig.
tubig jud. Drink your water moderately. So yes, so right now we are now done with everything, no? So we discussed already the promos, the privileges, ang nindot og kaayuhan nga mga nahitabo karon nga mga semana o sa kaniagi nga semana. Karon naman, no? So I will be going back again to what are the things that you should prepare in enrolling to these free privileges. Again ha, so Golden Success College, free tuition fee na ta. No? So wala jud may ikagool sa free sa inyong tuition fee.
In terms of tuition
Tuition fee, wala jud may ikagool.
Yeah.
Libre na ang pag-eskwela sa Golden Success College. For our incoming grade 7, no? So our classes for grade 7 will start by 7 a.m. Mahuman by 12 noon.
So half
Half day na sila mahulog. So ang mga bata sa junior high school, manguli na sila by the 12 in the afternoon. So, but of course, nasa daw usahay mga changes. Kaya usahay pwede sila nga maani ang mga bata by the afternoon, whole day sila. But of course, kana siya mga changes ay ipahibaw din sa mga parents. No? So if in case na ay mga trainings, na ay mga activities, practices, ang bata kinahanglan na sa eskwelahan. Ang ato namang incoming grade 11 students naman, ang ilang klase will begin at 12:45 p.m. og mahuman sila by 4:30 p.m.
So
Half day gid gyapon sila. So dili jud ikagool ang learning. Kaya of course may tabo sa ng buntag anak katong maganahan mag-sports, mag-training. So may tabo na siya every buntag for the grade
for the
11.
students nga na ay mga part.
Very well said, Ma'am Yugo. So it is very convenient for those students who are having the part-time jobs. No? So mo na siya ato ang grade 11 and grade 7 students. And of course, for our incoming college, no, free tuition fee na punta once you are qualified for the Cebu City Scholarship Program. So free tuition fee na punta, and of course, your classes will begin by 1 p.m. and will end by 4 p.m. Half day gihapon ta. Yes, so
Convenient yapon sa mga students na ito nga na ay mga part-time job.
yes, very well said, Ma'am Yugo. Very convenient. We are a working student friendly in a school. So, unsa may dapat nato iandam para sa magpa-enroll? So ipaandam na jud nato ang atong original report card o ato ang card sa mga bata. Ikaduha, iandam nato ang photocopy or the Xerox copy of the PSA or the NSO sa itong mga bata. Ikatulo, kay prepare pod nato ang certificate of good moral. So kana siyang tulo, once na siyang tulo, automatically ma-enroll mo sa Golden Success College, diha dayon, hatagan mo sa inyong cash allowance. For our incoming grade 7 students, again, 300 pesos sa madawatan. For our incoming grade 11 and first year college students, ang madawatan nila would be the 500 pesos. But Ma'am Yugo, kanos ara man ni siya nga available ang atong pagpanghatag sa cash allowance?
So for that, Sir Owen, within this week na lang yun. So from Monday to Saturday na ato ang available. So dapat karon pa lang, Sir Owen, magpa-enroll na sila.
Okay.
No?
So this week na lang dyan, atong
Yes,
balikon,
This
ang
week
pagpanghatag
na
nato sa cash allowances within this week na lang. So if ganahan pa mo to be part of this, makadawat mo siyang allowances, please enroll and please be
Yes.
part of our growing community.
Pa-enroll na yun ta, no? Kaya
yes.
sayang kayong opportunity na panghihatag ni Golden
Very
Success.
well said. So kani mga pictures na gipang flash na mo sa
So,
inyong
mga
screen,
proof
mo na siya ang mga proof na to that these are the students
na nakadawat
and
na.
parents who also receive their cash allowances during the on-the-spot enrollment na to. And of course, some who also visited the school.
Yes.
So, nainig kayo kay daghan na kitang enrollees.
Sana
And
yun.
katumaganahan pa, available pa siya kahit within this week. So once again, I think we have said everything already this afternoon, Ma'am Yugo. Daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw o magkita-kita ta pohon. By the way, I am Teacher Owen.
And I'm Miss Mary Grace Hugo.
Here at Golden Success College, we don't just teach, we train. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Steered my sublime dreams, gave me the sail to attain. You told me the victory I must have and dig the gold I should have. You refined the gift in me and you affirmed it gently.